Okay, shouting at you from West Virginia. Or further than West Virginia. Maybe I'm shouting at you way further than West Virginia, or closer, depending on where you are. I don't know. But what I do know is we've got joke of the day, and this is a good one. So, I tried to catch fog yesterday and missed. Fog is missed. But what I didn't miss is solutions of linear inequalities in two variables. Now, here I have a linear inequality that has two variables in it. Linear because each of my variables is to the first power, and I do have two variables in there. If I'm trying to figure out the solution of that linear inequality, what I need to do is find an ordered pair that when I substitute it into the inequality, it makes a true statement. I've said many times, and I still mean it, math is all about truth. We want true statements. So if you can substitute it in and you get a true statement, yes, it's a solution. Yes, it's great. But if you substitute it in and it doesn't create truth and it creates falseness, then no, it's not a solution. So in this example, and I've got two of them here, we want to take this linear inequality. We want to determine, is this ordered pair a solution to this inequality, and is this ordered pair a solution to the inequality? Well, the only way to find out is to substitute it in and see what happens. So I'm going to take this ordered pair, substitute this for the x and this for the y. So I'm going to take my y less than 3x minus 4. I'll substitute the 2 for the y, and I'll substitute the 4 for the x. Then I will do this multiplication. 3 times 4 is going to be 12. And then 12 minus 4 is going to be 8. Is this a true statement? It says 2 smaller than 8, 2 less than 8. Is that true? Yes, that is definitely true. So yes, this is going to be a solution to that linear inequality. Well, let's try 0, 0 and see what happens. Let's take my linear inequality, y less than 3x minus 4. Let's substitute the 0 for the y. Let's substitute the 0 for the x. Now, let's follow those order of operations. It says multiply first. That's why I multiplied here and then subtracted. Order of operations says multiply first. 3 times 0 is 0. And I have 0 minus 4, which is a negative 4. Is this truth? This says 0 smaller than negative 4. Is that true that 0 is less than negative 4? No, that is definitely not true. That is false. And when it's false, is that a solution? No, definitely not. So that's how you determine whether or not your ordered pair is a solution to the linear equality. It's the same way that you determine whether or not anything is a solution. You plug it in and you look for truth. It's just with an inequality, your truth is going to be based on that inequality symbol. If this symbol was flipped around like this, well, then I would have truth. 0 is bigger than a negative 4. So it depends on what your inequality symbol says as to whether or not you've got truth. So I hope that helps. Have a great day.